Jeremy Scott's journey from the uninspiring landscape of rural Kansas to the glamorous world of global fashion is a testament to resilience and creativity. Raised in a small farm community, Scott always nurtured a fascination with style, initially seen as unconventional in his surroundings. After working as a construction laborer to support his dreams, he moved to New York to study fashion design at Pratt Institute. Defying the odds, his flair for pop culture references and eccentric designs captured the industry's attention. Now celebrated as Moschino's creative director, Scott's story exemplifies the transformative power of passion and individuality.